name is Mary Bennett, and I also play Madam Curry here at the Carson City Ghost Walk in Carson City. We're celebrating our 25th anniversary with the Carson City Ghost Walk, where we take people on a tour of the west side of Carson City, one of the most detailed and pronounced west sides on the west coast of the United States. There are many ghosts and spirits here that we speak about. Ghosts from the past who settled here when all that was here is a desert, and some spirits that have remained here because they might not have finished everything they wanted to do. Our evening ghost tours take people through a 90-minute walk of the west side of Carson City. We usually stop at about 10 different stops, and we talk about the historical homes, the people who lived there, and all of the incredible things that they did for Carson City. But in October, we have an all-day ghost walk where we put different actors inside of the homes, and we usually open 5 homes on each tour, and many times the governor's mansion, which is right behind me, is also open. The tours are wonderful, the actors are great, and they all rely on the history of beautiful Carson City.